What's the reason for this topic in particular? If you go, either you're writing your WAEC or you're writing your JAMB, you would come across questions of what? Rhyme. I said rhyme. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling or pronunciation. Are we together? But different meaning. That's the general idea of homonyms. The same spelling, the same pronunciation with different meaning. The focus of this topic is not about the spelling, it's about the production of what? Sounds. So like I said, the last class we had phonetic sounds and we outlined about 44 phonetic sounds which we used to have in English oral language. And we have 20 vowels, we have 24 consonants, of which I would still outline for us just again. Now the objective is for you to pay attention or get familiar with alphabetic sounds, not alphabetic letters. Am I communicating? So homonyms brings in how letters are spelled, how words are spelled, and they can actually have the same spelling in English, but they have different production when you are when you're pronouncing. Am I communicating? So in as much as we have homonyms to be words that have the same spelling and pronunciation, it is still further claimed that the sound is the major concentration. Because if we quickly step into our homophones here, you will realize that majority or the list I gave to us here are not spelled the same way, but they have the same word, production of what? Sound or how it's been pronounced. So homonym is not just stereotyped to its definition this way. Now the set of homonyms that has the same spelling, the same pronunciation, different meaning is what we call what? Homograph is the first type. Are we together? So here it says that what? Homograph is what? Same spelling, different meaning. Pronunciation may change or stay the lead to guide when you're leading what? Someone. Here we have lead, a metal, the one you use in your, is it physics or what have you? Am I communicating? Which is a metaphor. Now they have the same words, the same spelling, they have the same what? Sound, but they take different what? Meaning. Example 2 under homograph, we have what? Tear. The first one means what? To rip off, tearing something. Why the second one is talking about a drop of what? From the eye. Am I communicating? A drop from the eye is also recognized or also categorized as what? Tear. The next one now, pay attention. Here we have bow. Am I communicating? Look at the two transcription. The first one is ow. The second one is ow. We have bow, bow. Am I communicating? Bow, bow. And it's still taking the same word, spelling. The first one means to what? To bend. The way the Chinese greets. And the second one, it means what? A weapon. What they add arrow to shoot. So be aware that it's very possible for you to have this type of word in your question and you are looking for the same rhyme of sound. Am I communicating? This and this are not sounding the same. The diphthong here is different from the word diphthong here. Are we together? It's quite so sad that everyone that is present here was not in class, or you guys were not in class the last time, because I gave the outline of sound. So mentioning diphthong, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Diphthong is the combination of two vowel words, sound, produced simultaneously. Ow. Okay, next we have homophones. It's also a type of what? Homonym. Am I communicating? Now it says that what? Same pronunciation and same spelling with different what? Meaning. Same pronunciation, same spelling with different what? Meaning. Riverbank, where water gets to what? Stop and flow back, or a point where water is being what? Offloaded off. so that it won't cause flood or what have you. So we're talking about the equipment for what? Sports. The next one is well. Means what? Good health. Am I communicating? Also, when your ground is being what? Dug. What do they call that? Same. Well, that is where whenever they are digging the ground for sorting out what? Water. Are we together? Okay. Now, furthermore, homonyms in sound are called homophones. Also, aside the fact that we said that homonyms have same spelling, same pronunciation, different meaning, it is further explained that homonyms are also, as long as words which might not be spelled the same, sound the same, they are also classified as what? Homonyms. Are we together? They're classified as homonyms. Now look at it. For example, sea, to sea, right? Sea, they're talking about waters. Sun, human. Flower, are we together? Flower. Right. Yeah. One. Night. Blue. Meat. Buy. They are still categorized under what? Homophones. Look at it in a sentence. The sun is above the sun, head in the portrait. Are we together? Son. She will write the right answers. Right. What's the reason for this topic in particular? If you go, either you're writing your WAEC or you're writing your JAMB, you would come across questions of what? Rhyme. Rhyming words. Rhyming sounds. Am I communicating? This is where the section is being what? Is being coined out. Rhyming words like this. Rhyming sound, it will be portraying the vowel sounds like this. Are we together? Sounds itself. That is how this is produced. Now, it might not really be based on homonyms in particular. Am I communicating? When it's talking about sound, but when it's talking about words, it is what? Specifically on what? Homonym. Maybe from the side of the homograph or from the side of the homophones. Are we together? Am I communicating? So now we are going to take out some exercise to see how we can what? We can get these sounds and get familiar with them.